have you ever accidentally deleted your very important files and feel panic? That data can either be your research document, your client's project, your family photos, or even an entirely formatted document. What if I told you that there is an AI tool which is going to help you to recover your data in minutes? I'm talking about mind-blowing tool of wondershare named recoverit that can scan drives, detect lost or computer files, and help you recover what you thought was gone. It doesn't replace backups, but it gives you a second chance when backup fails. You can recover photos, videos, documents, and formatted drives also, just in few simple steps. You can access the tool link from the description below. It offers you some free trials, but to benefit from its premium feature, you have to buy this tool. recoverit offer you multiple products. As you can see, it is for Windows, Macs, and you can recover it for free. You can repair the data and can back up your data also. You can recover the data from memory cards, hard drives, USB data recovery, partitioner recovery, Mac file recovery, Linux, NAS, and Mac trash discovery also. Why you have to use this tool? Because this is best for SD card recovery, best for Mac data recovery, and best for external hard drive recovery. And you will see it when we will perform hands-on, that how efficiently and professionally recoverit is going to recover all your data in few minutes. You can use it if you are a photographer, if you are a retiree and want to retrieve your lost memories for golden years. And for students, they are offering up to 30% off, and so that you can afford this tool and can make it a part of your daily life. You just have to go to the download, and you can download it in free. If you are using Windows, you have to go for the Windows version, and if you are using Mac, then you have to go for that option specifically. And data recovery for free is the same for all. So when you download it, you will install it into your system, and you can see this type of interface. Here you can see it is showing you all the folders and files available in your system. These are the two spaces in my system, and these are the external drives which are connected with my system. And this is specifically for SD card recovery. So for example, I'm going to go for a hard drive, and I'm going to go for my recycle bin recovery. Even this data which have been deleted from my recycle bin, I can even recover that. And it has detected 217 files from my recycle bin. Recycle bin show me this specific folder which I can even select all, or I can click on it and go for the specific file which I want to recover. So for example, I want to recover this file. I have to click on it, or even I can select all the ones which I want to recover. For example, I want to recover these three, and then after selecting the files, I will press on recover, and then it will ask me about the position where I want to save these files. I will click on download. You have to wait for a few minutes, and your data will be start recovering. When done, the tool will direct you at the place where these files have been recovered, and you can just get them by clicking on the files, and you will see that these are some videos, and this is the detail of here you can see all type of video files, and these are very heavy files which have been recovered by using recoverit in few minutes only. Not only this, you can repair your files. If the corrupted videos are corrupted, you can just repair it by pressing on it and then press on add. So for example, if you recover any specific video and that video that doesn't play properly, wondershare recoverit will help you to recover that specific video. In the same way, you can repair the images and photos by using its repair feature. You're not restricted to use recoverit only on the Mac and Windows. You can use it even on your mobiles also. I can even recover the data from my SD card which have been lost and have been deleted from the SD card along with recycle bin. So I will select the SD card, and then I will press on start scan. I will select the file. Then I can see all the files which have been deleted. These are videos, pictures, and I will press on the selected files, or I can even select all and then press on recover. I will select the place where I want to save this file and press on save. Instantly, I will be directed towards the folder where the file have been recovered, and I can see that the quality of the file and the image. recoverit is still scanning my folder and is finding the remaining items and help me to find all the lost data from my SD card. Here I can see the details of the file sizes. Either I want to recover all the files size wise, then I can select accordingly. Then I can also see the files apply a filter according to the date and then a file type also. Along with it will show me the list of deleted files along with the list of existing files. So if I click on deleted files only, I will be able to see the deleted files only. As you can see, it's 48% data extraction process have been completed. When done, you will see all the files which have been deleted here in the interface. You can select which you want to recover by applying these filters, and by just pressing on a single button, you will be able to recover all the lost files from your SD card email. Recoverit is life-saving for those who are working on the desktops and systems on daily basis and have to face these kind of data loss mishaps. It's definitely going to save your time, energy, and a lot of work which you have done in the past if you have been through data loss. You can access the tool from the link available in description, and if you need any assistance to understand the tool, you can ask in the comment section or visit our website. The link is available in description below. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.